The biggest thing I have learned is pay attention to companion planting. What I mean is, this little babe here, halfway up this trellis, same here. Not this guy, because he got planted earlier. Here you go. This is doing a little better. Halfway at the tippy top. But look, y'all. Mr. Bill gave me these same tomatoes at the same time. These ones here with peas. Sorry, green beans. Look how tall this tomato is. This is above my head. Crazy. Look at it. It's like a sunflower stalk. The production hasn't started yet, but oh, it's gonna. I don't know what my apricot tree needs, except I'm sure better soil. If you know, let me know. Prunus armeniaca. And he's got zucchini, yellow and green. And the cantaloupe finding a new home. That's just absolutely crazy. It's difficult to water. I just aim low. And it's crawling with pollinators. My raspberries were productive. I got about 5, and then something's eating it like crazy. That variety is not done squat. Some chard, maybe, popping up. My bok choy has a little flower head until someone eats it. Strawberries taken off. I think we're late in the season. And my one remaining bush, thanks to those pesky rabbits. Here's my insane jungle of tomatoes from Mr. Bill, because they love being in the peas here. Sorry, the green beans. We've got... Ooh, look at this little guy snuck in there. That is a yard long if I saw one. Cool. I never in my life wanted to grow roses after falling into the rose bushes off the fence at my childhood house. That's a fun story. Just ask my brother. But I saw these at Aldi. And check out the height of this guy. They're two different varieties, clearly. We've got like a bush variety and a climbing variety, but they remind me of my Grammy Rose. And the bees love them. And we love bees. I don't know what's happened recently to my yard log. This weathering. See, these are great. It just happened. Stay tuned. These tomatoes, also from Mr. Bill, but they don't have the green beans helping them out in the soil there. Now this guy I planted late March. I don't know. He sat dormant for a while, but he's got 2 happening. He was hidden in snap peas. There you go. I believe this is butternut squash, but we'll find out. This tall guy here also hiding among the snap peas. But these 2 sad little guys from Mr. Bill, I think they just need a bean bush planted with them. And then I've got some snap peas coming back. I don't think they'll live, but we'll let them do their thing. Watermelon, cantaloupe. My blueberries, I don't know what to do. Also, something took over my blueberry, I'm pretty sure. So if you know what that is, let me know. I tried to yank it up out of the ground, but it's this thing here. It doesn't, it's so down there. Is it part of it? I just can't tell. The update, I ripped it out, and I used my C-cap. Haha. It is a black willow. It's some kind of native tree. And I just ripped out what putty wildflowers were going in here and throw it in. So we'll see. I forgot to talk about my amaranth. I am so excited. I don't know what the green tastes like. I actually bought a bag and we have it inside to try. But I'm mostly excited for the pollination factor for these gorgeous flowers that are gonna pop up all over. And then, you know, survival garden. Gotta eat some amaranth. It's complete protein. Our first yield of carrots only gave us 6.8 ounces because I never thinned them. So I'm gonna pretend like I know when I should thin them. Oh, I marked them too. Look at that. And we'll let them thin and keep growing. And we've got a few more little buds going. Also labeled. It's like I'm becoming a real gardener or something, you guys. Oh, look. There's one still going. Sweet. Wonder how big it'll get. We'll see. Another snap pea vine has popped up. I really don't think they like the heat, so either they'll miss the heat by not being mature enough, or they're just gonna die. And I don't know which, because I'm just a pretend gardener right now. When I have more food I know what to do with, I'll act like I know what I'm doing. For example, carrot, wheat, or something I forgot that I planted also. I don't know.